Hi. Actually, I am start using Pure just 2 months before. I was working with this Scoopus and Skywall, and currently I joined for Ph.D. So this is our plan, how we can track the postgraduate students, mainly master and Ph.D. So basically, this is overview of my presentation. Just key facts about UAE University, how we are using Pure, then which are the colleges and research centers, then the problem statement, why we are using Pure, then how we are implementing, what are the objectives we are getting from Pure, challenges and conclusion. Okay. UAU, it is ranked #1 university in UAE, more than 14,000 students from 64 countries, and it is ranked QS 5-star rating. Only university from UAE which is ranked QS 5-star and ranked top 50 under the universities who established in last 50 years. And more than 4,000 publication from last 5 years. And our citation per publication is more than 10.3 citation per publication for the last 5 years. Then this is our collaboration. Most of our publications are with the international collaboration. More than 65% of publication are with international collaboration, 7% with national collaboration, and more than 17% with institutional collaboration, which means different colleges and departments, and around 10% with single authorship, no collaboration. And these are our main collaborating institutions like Semiconductor Research Corporation, Intel, Japan Corporation Center, Align Municipality, different collaborations. And this is area-wise collaboration. Actually, we have almost 2,286 collaborating institutions for the 2014 to 2018. And most of the collaborations are from Europe. Almost 795 collaborations are from Europe. Then Asia Pacific, 593 collaboration, Asia Pacific, then North America, then Middle East, Africa, and least South America. And these are our top 15 collaborating institutions. First one is Sultan Qaboos University, it is from Oman. Then we have Tawam Hospital, it is located in Ain itself. Then one university from Ethiopia, Harvard University, Oxford, University of London. These are our top 15 collaborating institutions. Actually, we are not using Pure very well for reporting. Actually, we are using Skywall. Mainly we are using Skywall. Pure we are mainly using for comparing between some faculty, comparing between departments, this kind of details. Mainly we are not getting these details from Skywall directly. From the Skywall we can compare different subject area, how the research is happening between different subject area. For comparing between different department and colleges, we are using Pure. And why we are using Pure? So actually, we have 9 colleges and 2 supporting colleges. College of Engineering, College of IT, College of Food and Agriculture, Science, Law, Humanities. It covers all the discipline. And we have 2 supporting colleges. One is College of Graduate Studies and another is University College. And College of Graduate Studies is monitoring the PhD and master program, and University College is giving support service like writing center, speaking center, tutorial center, this kind of additional support, and foreign languages. They will provide some kind of foreign language, French, German, this kind of language support. And we have 10 dedicated research centers related to space, health, water, energy, etc. These are Emirates Center for Happiness Research, National Space Science and Technology Center, Said bin Sultan Center for Health Science, Khalifa Center, UAE Center for Public Policy and Leadership, Date Palm Research Center, this is dedicated to UAE. Then Emirates Center for Energy and Research Center, Roadway Transport, National Water Center, Emirates Center for Institute Learning and Outcome. And this is our student enrollment in last years, up to 2018. You can easily see from the graph, number of graduate students is increasing. We started the graduate program from 1999 until 2018 it is increasing, and we started our PhD program almost 2000. Number of PhD students and master programs are increasing. Until last year we are using Excel and Scoopus for collecting the data. And this is college-wise improvement, College of Law, College of Education. And this is the publication. Sorry. This is the publication. And from 2010 to 2018, we have almost 86 graduates. And we have almost 515 publication. This is total publication. The main issue is number of non-Scopus publication is only 380. The rest is not indexed in Scopus. So very difficult to track this publication. We are searching in Google the student name and searching how the publication is coming, how the citation and everything. Then this is the year-wise publication. Each year the number of students is increasing and number of publications also increasing. The sum of the issues is College of Business and Economics. They are not using Scopus. They are mainly using Sedona as database. So we cannot track that one directly. Then some of the students is not giving the affiliation properly. They are just giving UAE University. They are not mentioning which college, which department. So it is difficult to track this thing from Scopus. Then this is just a comparison. This is number of students from 1992 to 2018 and only in 2019. We have almost 100 students from the 1992 to 2018. But check, in 2019 itself, we have 115 students. So now number of students is increasing gradually. This year, almost tripled the number of graduate students. So we cannot track it manually. We need some automated software. That's why we are using Pure for this purpose. Then we are giving some kind of supports for the graduate students like scholarship, fellowship, and graduate assistantship. These are the nine support we are giving, like fellowship, research assistantship, teaching assistantship, full scholarship. Something is only for UAE national students, something is common to all the nationality. Also, we need to track the comparison between this category. We are giving scholarship to some students are working as teaching assistants, some students are working as research assistant. So we need to compare how they are producing. Then based on this one, we need to improve or decrease the number of scholarship and fellowship. So we need some automated tool. This is just an example. One student, like a PhD student, he can work as a research assistant in one department, and he is working with some of the research center. Also, he can work as a teaching assistant in some of the department. Maybe he is directly scholarship. So we need to compare how they are producing, how the research productivity of this category. So these are the expected target from Pure. We need to make a category like organization department, like we need a category of students like how many students in teaching assistantship, how many students in scholarship, how many students, and list of students in fellowship category, different category. Then list of students. Then we need the list of publication, Scopus publication and non-Scopus indexed publication. Then citations of this publication. Then list of publication UAE key strategic area. We have 7 key strategic area like space exploration, water, health, renewable energy, education, then medicine. We have different key strategic areas. So we need to track number of publication in these areas also. Then we need to track number of awards given to the students. Like if some students is presenting in some conference, if he get some awards, we need to track that one. And patents. Then one more category is we are giving award for the students who is publishing in top journals. In Scopus, we can get information related to site score, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. But our university mainly used on SGR score. So we need to get number of students and list of students who published in top rank according to SGR score. We are giving some awards to the students who is publishing top 1% based on SGR score, top 5% and top 10%. So we need to track this one. Then comparison between different category like research assistantship, teaching assistantship and scholarship. Then semester wise report and verification and key decision making. like whether we need to increase the research assistantship or teaching assistantship or scholarship based on these reports. Also, we are planning to implement additional data like scholarship and instrument proficiency of graduate students. If some of the students, mainly it is related to data science. Most of the researchers, they need some skills in SPSS, Minitab, MATLAB, this kind of software. So we need to track the list of students who has this kind of skill. If some other department needs some small kind of help from the students, we can take help from these students. And this is the final expected dashboard for student. We need the student details, their category, program, email address, then type of category, like which kind of support they are getting, like scholarship or fellowship. And if they are working in some specific project, we need to get the fund code of that project. Then their software proficiency, their thesis area, then their main fingerprint, like major research topic. This is almost similar to the faculty we are implemented in Pure, but additionally we need some data like software proficiency, award details, then publication details, average score. This is average score, it means we'll compare, we'll make number of publication during the academic period, number of publication in top 10%, then we will give some weightage for the any award he got during the academic period and number of patents. So we will give some average score for each student. So for the comparison purpose, we can tell how maybe 10 students is above average score, 5 students is below average score, this kind of comparison. So this is actually our plan. We just started implementing this one. Actually, we need collaboration between 3 departments in our university. One is research office, next is College of Graduate Studies, then library. And actually, we are hiring 2 new staff for working on this project. One is joining on October 20. This Sunday, one staff will join. Then another staff will joining in November. So we will give hiring new staff, and we are giving some training from Pure. Then we need to create the hierarchy in December. Then adding the publication conference details we planned on January. Then ranking based on SJR and publication based on strategic area we will implement in February and March. This is very short period. We are done this kind of schedule because next admission is on August, and at the time of May we need to take a important decision. We need to take some important decision at the end of May. This is just a 6-month period, but before next admission we need to take some important decision, like we need to increase the research assistantship or fellowship. This kind of details we need to implement. These are the challenges. We have non-Scopus and non-Web of Science indexed journals. How we can track this one? Then next challenge is change of category. Some students is starting like a teaching assistant. Maybe after 1 year or 2 years, they will change to research assistant. So we cannot compare properly. Next challenge is time delay to accept in good journals. Some of the review take more than 5 or 6 months, so it will take some delay. Then time frame. Main issue is the time frame. We schedule this for 6 months. We are not sure whether we can complete in next 6 months. Then we need big support from the Pure team. This is our conclusion. We are expecting Pure portal can be fully automated, and we can compare the different graduate students. And mainly our future decision will be based on this Pure portal. And the main issue is time schedule. 6-month target. Maximum we can give up to 1 year. Thank you. Actually, this is just our plan.
Thank you, Saifuddin. Questions or suggestions?
Thank you. That was really interesting, and I think it was quite useful to see it with the presentation yesterday that was also looking at awards. Just a question, really. Obviously, doctoral students live in faculties, departments, research centres. But they're also enrolled on program routes as well, aren't they? So do you set the course they're studying as part of your organisational units, or do they belong only to part of your organisational structure?
Actually, in our university, we are given organization structure like department. department, but we are planning to add one additional organization structure, only for students. And we will enter students as non-academic staff. Then we are planning to track. This is
Did I understand correctly that you hired two separate people to help you make this happen?
yes.
And are they full-time busy doing all these students?
No. This is dedicated for Pure. He has experience in Pure. They are working in Australia. She resigned from Australia. She will join UAE University soon, October 20.
Okay.
Yeah, I definitely see Pure can help you with much of this. I also see some challenges in there that maybe need some discussions. Anybody else up for questions or